Unlock your glow, DIY skin brightening secret. Hey Glow fam, welcome back to your favorite beauty spot, GlamGuide for youth. Today, I'm sharing something super powerful and natural, a skin whitening coffee body scrub that will visibly brighten your skin from the very first use. Say goodbye to dull tanned skin and hello to glowing smooth radiant skin with just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you want more such real effective DIY recipes. We're not just throwing ingredients together, we're crafting a symphony of skin transforming goodness. Let's get started. First things first, the star of our show, coffee. Step 1. First, take 2 sachets of instant coffee powder in a clean bowl. Coffee isn't just for waking you up, it also wakes up your skin. Coffee is packed with antioxidants, which help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. It gently exfoliates, removing dead skin cells and revealing a brighter layer underneath. The caffeine in coffee can also help improve circulation, reducing the appearance of cellulite and giving your skin a healthy, rosy glow. Plus, it smells amazing. The result? A smoother, brighter, and even-toned skin that glows naturally. Step 2. Next up, we're adding some sweetness to our scrub. Sugar. We're using 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, sugar might seem simple, but it's a fantastic natural exfoliant. The small granules gently scrub away dead skin cells, helping to unclog pores and reveal brighter, smoother skin. It's a more gentle exfoliant than some harsher scrubs, making it suitable for most skin types. It helps reveal the fresh, soft skin underneath and enhances the overall glow. Plus, it boosts the effectiveness of the coffee. Step 3. Now, time for some magic. We're adding 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is a skincare superstar. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture to your skin, keeping it hydrated and supple. It's also packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial, which can help soothe inflammation and fight acne. Honey helps to brighten the skin by promoting cell turnover and reducing the appearance of scars and blemishes. It helps soothe the skin, reduce scars, and even skin tone. If you're struggling with patchy skin or uneven tan, honey will come to your rescue. Step 4. Let's add some soothing goodness. Aloe vera. Add 1 spoon of aloe vera gel, the cooling agent in this scrub, and is a skin-soothing hero. Aloe vera is a natural healer. It repairs damaged skin, reduces inflammation, and gives that dewy softness we all love. Aloe vera is known for its calming and hydrating properties. It can help soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and promote healing. It's especially beneficial for sun-exposed skin, making it perfect for our summer glow-up scrub. It's a must-have in every summer skincare DIY. Step 5. Last but not least, add a touch of magic. Few drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. This boosts skin repair and collagen production. Vitamin E oil helps protect your skin from free radical damage, keeping it looking youthful and radiant. It also helps to moisturize and nourish the skin, promoting a healthy glow. It fights sun damage, fades dark spots, and keeps your skin plump and youthful. Now mix everything really well till you get a thick, creamy scrub texture. Make sure everything is well combined. It should look smooth, grainy, and ready to work its magic. And there you have it, your DIY body whitening scrub. But how do we use this magic potion? It's simple. Apply the scrub on damp skin, especially on your arms, legs, neck and tanned areas. Massage gently in circular motions for 5 to 7 minutes. This helps boost blood flow, remove tan, and exfoliate dead skin. Leave it on for 10 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Pat dry and follow with your favorite body lotion. For best results, use this scrub 2 to 3 times a week. You can store the scrub in an airtight glass jar in the fridge for up to 7 days. Always use a dry spoon while scooping to keep it fresh. Now, for the million-dollar question, what kind of results can you expect? This scrub is designed to gently exfoliate, brighten, and even out your skin tone. With just one use, you'll feel your skin smoother, softer, and visibly brighter. With consistent use, you can expect a gradual reduction in the appearance of dark spots and a more radiant, even complexion. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for drastic results. You'll love your glowing skin by the end of this month. So are you ready to say goodbye to dull skin and hello to a radiant, confident you? This DIY coffee scrub is your ticket to naturally brighter, smoother skin. It's time to embrace your natural beauty and glow from the inside out. Glow Queens. This scrub is a game changer. No chemicals, no expensive products, just pure natural ingredients that work like magic. If you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends and fam. Hit the like button, subscribe to GlamGuide for Youth, and ring the bell icon so you never miss a glow-up video. And remember, comment below. What's your go-to DIY for glowing skin? Until next time, stay natural, stay glowing.